How to create boomerang on Instagram. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can create exciting boomerang on Instagram. Boomerang is a short video loop that plays forward and backward repeatedly, creating a seamless and entertaining effect. To get started, open your Instagram application and navigate to the home page. Look for the central plus button. Click on it and you will enter the creation space. Choose story in this space. Within the story space, locate the boomerang option below the create button and click on it. You can select filters to enhance your boomerang. Once you have chosen your desired filter, press the button to shoot the video. After a few seconds, the video will start processing. Now in this creative space, you can customize your boomerang further by trimming it and adding captions or stickers. Click on the star icon to explore additional filters, and if you want to add music, click on the music icon. Select a track or search for the one you like to add. You can even choose how you want the lyrics to be displayed. To change the music, again click on the small square music button. After you have customized your boomerang to your liking, click on the done option. Then click on arrow icon to post it. If you want to share your story as a message to others, click on message, otherwise simply click on share. If you wish to add the boomerang to your highlights or share it on Facebook, customize the settings accordingly and then click on done. Your boomerang will be shared in your story, so give it a moment, and when you check it, you will see the boomerang posted. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.